Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Angga Robin Salafi. I am from class Management Risk 24 CX with NPM 234111012. Now, I will explain about material operational risk management, protecting the enterprise core. Practical framework and the action to identify, measure, and management risks that threaten operational reputation and continuity. The material is the reality of the operational risks. Number 1 is definition. Loss from violent process, people, system to external event the practical day-to-day exposure organization face. Point 2 is hidden impacts. Financial loss, reputational damage, and regulation finance, and miss strategic opportunities often follow operational failures. The scale. Operational risk is enterprise-wide, it crossing function and silos requiring coordinated government and resources. The 4 pillars of the risk. Point 1 is process. Emphasize workflow, manual handoff, and weak control the enable failures. Point 2 is people, human error, insider miscounts, and capability gaps that create exposure. Number 3 is system. IT outage, cyber incidents, and hardware failures, restructuring service. External natural disaster, geopolitical event, and supply chain shocks beyond the direct control. The 3 lines of the defense model. Point 1 is first line. Operational manager own and manage risks daily, design, execute, and control activities. Point 2 is second line. Risk management, compliance, and control function set policy, monitor, and provide guidance. 3 lines is internal audit, offer independent assurance that the model and the control are effective. Identifying hazard. RSCA or Risk Control Self-Assessment empower process owner to map activities, identify, control, and rate residual risk. Point 2 is crisis. Key risk indicator, define lending metrics and the threshold that trigger early warning and escalation pathways. Point 3 is loss data collection. Systematically capture indents and the near misses to spot pattern and root cause. Measuring and analysis risk. Quantitative scenario modeling, loss distribution approaches, and capital estimation to understand financial exposure. Qualitative expert judgment, likelihood impact matrix, and control effectiveness assessment. The numbers, the scale, standard, aligns. Measurement to Basel Committee guidance and regulation expectation. Next material about strategy risk treatment. Number 1 is mitigation. Design control, automated process, strengthen, reconciliation, and train staff to reduce likelihood. Point 2 is transfer. Use insurance, contractual risk transfer, and further third-party providers to shift reducible impact. Point 3 is avoidance, exit high-risk product, geographic or processes that access apathy or cannot be controlled. Point 4 is acceptance. Formally accept a low-level reduce the risk with the monitoring, contingency plans, and governance oversight. Building resilience, the continuity plan. Beyond prevention, prepare to substance critical function under stress rather than relying solely on preventive emergency response, clear activation criteria, rules, and community threats for rapid containment and recovery. Alternative site and reduce define the RTO and or PPO, establishing mirrors environment and test failure regularly. Next material is corporate culture and agile. Integrity and tone from the top. Leadership must do model risk-aware behavior and reward transparent reporting over concealment. Point 2 is transparency. Ensure nears miss reporting protection with be and a close feedback loop to build trust, people and competence. Invest the role-specific training, tactical incident staffing resilient to reduce human-driven event. Okay, the last explanation, conclusion, turning risk into opportunity. Resilient differentiate leader in volatile market. Embed the continuum individual hazard, ensure impact, treat risks, and reevaluate frequently. Continuous improvement. Use lesson learn and accident data to harden control and accelerate automation. Governance. Maintain the clear ownership, KRI, dashboard, and regular board level reporting. Call to action. The focus audit of the critical process this quarter and validation recovery plans with a live or tabletop test. Okay guys, this all my presentation about operational risk management protecting the enterprise core. More or less, I apologize. All I here. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.